Good morning, everyone. It's Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm at the Kitty Hawk Bathhouse this morning with your beach report for Thursday, July 12th. We got a wet day today. It's nice and warm, but unfortunately we got some wet stuff falling on me, so I want to make this quick. I'm getting rained on. I get back in the car. It's going to be a warm day, temps in the 80s, but we're going to have off and on thunderstorms. And looking ahead, it's going to be more of the same for the next few days. The sun should come back relatively soon, and hopefully over the next couple days there'll be more sun than rain, but it will be wet and give some rain to the plants, cool things off a little bit. So if you're down here, find some rainy day activities, but make the most of the sun that comes out from time to time. Unfortunately, we don't have much surf to report. We do have a northeast wind that's kicking up some swell a little bit, but that's going to die down pretty quickly as the wind switches back offshore. The good news is that Sunday and starting next week looks real good. Looks like we're going to have some swell in the chest-high range with some offshore winds coming out of the southwest, relatively light at about 10 miles per hour. So it looks like we could have some clean chest-high waves starting on Sunday morning and lasting all the way through maybe Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So fingers crossed that we get some good surf on the way. And fishing is still going real well. Wide variety of fish in the area. Great reports from the surf, the piers, and the bridges, as well as offshore and near shore. We've got blues, spot, speckled trout, sea mullet, Spanish mackerel, croaker, flounder, spade fish, cobia, black drum, whole bunch of fish in the area. Offshore they're seeing mahi, tuna, and some billfish mixed in. So I hope you guys have a great Thursday. If you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look. OuterBanksVacations.com. I gave you a quick peek at the beach. Not much going on. Pretty quiet morning. Have a great Thursday. Talk to you soon.